TurboTax told me I owed $57,000 in taxes this year. Literally nothing in my life has changed from the year before. I think I owed like $20 last year. So we are just going to ignore that. But now we have to play a game that I like to call refill out all the questionnaires on the TurboTax website, but just extremely suspiciously. I'm like, is this because I told you I wasn't a fisherman too many times in a row and now you're mad at me? Right? Because they asked that question so many times. Are you a fisherman? No. Did you have any fishing related accidents? No. Do you want to go into fishing? Where are you going to put this in the form? I just wish they thought it was a little bit less stupid. Right? Because they asked me these off the walls questions. Were you in Guam in January? No, but how would this impact my taxes if I visited Guam? And then I always go down a Reddit rabbit hole. Like, TurboTax, why are they asking me if I visited Guam? And somebody on Reddit is like, it's actually extremely important to answer yes, you visited Guam, even if you didn't. Otherwise,
yeah, so that's pretty common when you use TurboTax. It can have some glitches, especially when it's just trying to do it on a mass scale. So if you do have a business or you've got some real estate or you're starting to make more money and you're getting it from different income streams, you really want to make sure that you're working with an accountant or CPA or tax advisor, someone who knows your situation and deals with it regularly and has experience with it, and so that there's not all these mistakes and it's not costing you a bunch of time and headache and pain just trying to get all the information into a form and hopefully it goes the right way. It's well worth the investment, so make sure that you do find someone. If you are growing, if you have a simple W-2, then a lot of times TurboTax can be just great. But if you are trying to grow and scale your empire, then you want to work with someone who can actually help you structure it properly and make sure that you're maximizing your tax savings and not losing out. Because in the end, it will cost you either you pay in time and headache and fees to pay someone to clean it all up if you just try to do it all yourself. So yeah, if you relate to that situation or you understand that, and if you are thinking of growing, then reach out to us or reach out to someone you know who can help you structure it properly and has experience advising and winning at the tax game.